Did you know Google can see your messages on your phone? Most people don't realize this is turned on by default. But the good news is you can switch it off in seconds and keep your chats private. Let me show you how to do it. First, open up the Gemini app on your Android phone. Then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap on Gemini app's activity. Then tap Turn Off. Tap the Turn Off again. Then tap Got It. Again tap Got It. If you don't find it here, then go back to the home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap Google, then tap on your Gmail. Next, tap the Google account. Now tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Type Gemini app activity. Now look below. Tap on Manage and delete your Gemini app's activity. Scroll down, tap on Go to Gemini app's activity. Next, tap Turn Off. Again, tap on Turn Off. Tap Got It. Again, tap Got It. And that's it. Now Google can see your messages. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any other questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.